Alright, today we're taking David's car to Autodream. We were supposed to get this done last week, but AMA's been busy with tows and we haven't been able to get one, so we just rented this U-Haul trailer for 50 bucks and we're just gonna load it up, take it down to the shop. So the challenge right now is getting a long enough running start, getting enough momentum to push the car up these ramps and onto the trailer. But we're kind of limited for space right now, so.
Okay, now we'll come back, Dave. Take the weight off here because we're not looking from your truck. Go!
Damn. Looks like I'm about to hit up a drift event. Jesse's wheels are looking dope on this thing.
All strapped down?
Yeah. Hey. All chained up to the LCAs. Wheels are strapped down. Time. What?
Tune time.
Look at this Z. Show the video of the front brakes, man.
Yeah, it's got a similar dash to like an NSX. How it's like sloped.
Yeah. Yeah, true. Dude. Man, look at this controller like retrofit right at the bottom.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's nice.
Clean.
Massive brake kit.
Yeah, that thing, I think they're from like a 370.
This is like the 300Z if it was released in 2018.
Yeah, yeah. You like modernized it. Like the taillights too, did you get a shot of that?
Oh, not yet. Damn. Yeah, this thing's mint. Oh, dude, look at that dash. Can't really see it in here.
Cluster. Look at that red stitching on that. Damn.
Just picked up some injectors.
Yes, Charles, we see
Stock
your
injectors.
GTR injectors.
GTR?
440s, yeah.
Nice. Not too bad.
Should do me well.
You're gonna get them flow tested or?
They just, they said they were just on the dyno. They're good.
Dyno's not a flow tester.
Oh yeah, man.
Film me, it's recording. Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys everything that pretty much the car is in the shop for. Once it's on the hoist, we're going to bolt in my LSD. Forgot we disconnected the axle bolts, so that's why the wheels weren't turning. So put this in. That's about it for that. And then over here at the engine, pretty much new exhaust. Reroute the oil line. Install the blow valve. Update the intercooler piping, mount the turbo, and tune it.
These aren't it. 2J. These are my cans?
Don't drop them.
Check things. Yeah.
Let's put some stuff in.
Do the flip test.
Yeah.
Damn, so next time you see this thing, I'll probably be dyno tuning, hey?
I gotta put the diff in.
Oh, true, yeah, true. So we'll be back before then.
Hey, it's Ray.
What are you boys up to?
We're going to Autodream
What are you dreaming?
about automotive things. Joe, what are you eating for breakfast, man?
Dinosaur snacks?
Part of a wholesome breakfast.
He's got the eBay Scooby snacks.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were sold out.
Yo,
3 large double doubles.
Sorry?
3 large double doubles.
Yeah, sure.
That's it.
Would you like to add up a little bit Danish today?
No.
Jesse's low-key eating an orange. Trying to keep it secret.
Oh.
Yeah. The Slamry lives on in our hearts.
Envelopes coming in the mail that are open. I'm hoping for a check again. Ain't no telling.
What's up, man? How goes it? The car's up here on the hoist. Yo, what are you working on now? The exhaust or downpipe? Yeah. Let's see what we got so far.
No, it's got heat protection on it. Yeah, I guess it does.
You got a nice return too.
Yeah, return is upgraded now. It's threaded and look at that shit. Damn, that's both sides, like to the block and the engine. Up there, you can see it.
Is that the same fitting you had?
No, he swapped the fitting over. It was just a slip-on before. So yeah, just gonna be taking the bolts off of the drive shaft right there, and then should just be the 2 big bolts here, there. These are already disconnected. They just threw a couple in so they could drive the car around. A couple sensors which are already unplugged. She should be good to go. I'll do it if you don't want to. Hey! Nah, man, that's too safe if we lower it. Pull her up. E-brake things. Wait.
Sick Evo 8 just pulled up to Autodream. Damn. Alright, nice left-hand drive Evo 8. This thing's clean. It's clean. Honestly, you don't see many of these around in Calgary, Canada that often. They're not too common yet. They are rare, yeah. Like it's weird, we see more like GTRs and Skylines than we do Lancers and Evos.
We never got the Evo 8s or 9s here.
Yeah.
Alright, these nuts are cracked. Now just a matter of loosening them, taking them out. So what do you think? Nice Lancer.
I like it.
It's pretty nice.
Whose car is this? Did you say they watched
Someone, yes. This actually belongs to someone that watches our videos. He actually DM'd me and he's like, hey, I need this done in my Evo, where should I go? Of course, told him to go over to Autodream. He's been going ever since, looks like. Great customer service. Returning customers, yeah.
Oh yeah, and,
I forget your name, but
for those of you guys that are like wanting to do business with Autodream but you're not from Calgary, he's gonna be switching to like an online store, online business, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be online, so definitely a bigger market. All of you guys can order parts. Like you guys saw my manifold and stuff.
Did we announce? But like they're closing these doors down.
Yeah,
like selling
this
the
shop.
bays, and I think Wynn is just going to be moving into his garage and working out of there. So
yeah, he's bringing the welder over and like
any custom like catch cans.
If you guys need
tanks, and literally anything.
Manifolds, literally anything. High quality work, man.
We'll put his current website on the screen right now, so you can go check it out.
Yeah, it's still in development right now, but
it's custom.
Yeah,
custom stuff. Alright, so there's the speed sensor and the diff right here.
We thought it was as easy as like you could just unbolt it.
It's a little trickier than we thought, so we're just gonna follow this wire. It's actually this one right here, so we gotta pop that clip out and then run this wire back down that way.
Yeah. For those of you that want to take this out, you actually, I guess, when said you had to heat it up and lightly like tap it out. So
it's like it's a tight spot too. You can't really get much in there as far as tapping. So just tap it out. Sweet. So just let that wire hang. 2 bolts here, and then 2 right there, and it should drop down. Zishan's gonna hold it for us, right?
Alright, got the hoist, loosening the last 2 bolts.
I would say this.
Oh. What does that mean? You're almost there. Oh. Do you want more a longer fiber? Okay, it's out of there, so now we gotta put it down and clear this.
Those axles out.
Should just be able to come out. Yeah. Nope. Okay. Got it. Now we come back and then down. We gotta come towards us now. There we go. Hey. Hey, check out the new charge pipe setup here. So I believe, what is this, like 2-inch, you guys think?
2.5.
2.5, 2, and then a step-up coupler.
Is it 3 all the way?
This is 3.
Like
this might be
2.5. 2.5 to 3.
No, the turbo's not a. It's not a bad size.
I don't know why David was stressing, man. He's like, it's too big. I'm not gonna spool.
I'm stressing.
What do you guys think?
Precision
David's
turbos
turbo.
are, like, known to make good power too.
Yeah. Is this turbo too big or too small?
Okay, well, like the people that actually know about turbos, not the kids that are like big turbo.
Shit, you just got called out, all you kids.
Yeah.
It's like the same people that are telling Charles to do forged. Like they're just saying it because they know
It's technically
They know
it's
that-
better, but
They know the term.
yeah.
they don't know the downsides to, like, you know, whatever. Just mod cars for a few years and you'll know.
Yeah.
The worst of the worst just happened, guys.
First casualty of the day.
Dude.
Charles's shades. Dude, you can no longer do the Migos challenge.
He is no longer amigos.
Yeah, you know what happened?
Google Glasses be like?
Yeah, it's Dragon Ball Z. I think.
Dude, he manifested it. He said, I hope my glasses didn't break. Pulled it out.
2 on each side. Take them in the middle.
The new steez, guys.
I feel like if we had our own shop, this is what we'd do.
We do have our own shop.
Oh, that's true.
What are you talking about? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Don't throw them out, man. They're still good.
Yo,
Should I just fix those?
No.
You got brake clean up in this thing? Your partner. It's practicing for Calgary.
Yeah.
Yeah. God, Nigel. Okay, now we push it in. Oh, jack up.
It's practice for that.
How many of you viewers go to Cowboys? And
I'm a cowboy.
You need to turn that off.
I'm rather enjoying it.
I enjoy it in like a I hate this kind of way.
Am I talking to you like Brandon?
Got the LSD in. Now we just gotta bolt up the drive shaft.
Brake cleaning the surfaces.
Axles are bolted up. Putting in these
Easier putting it in
bushings
than
back
taking it
in.
out.
Yeah, that was actually really
Anyone
easy.
has a LSD camber? It's kind of turned out this way. Yeah, it's sick. Like these things just like came across my way.
David's getting all inspirational.
Yeah, like this is something I've always wanted.
Yo, drop some knowledge on him. What do you?
In life, you just gotta focus on what you want, and it'll
Never lose,
manifest
man.
its way into your life.
Yeah, never lose.
Never lose. Yeah, don't have that losing mentality.
Losing is a mindset.
Yeah.
Dude, look at the booty on that GTR.
Yeah, it's so fat.
Alright guys, successful trip at Autodream. Once again, we got the LSD in. There's new oil return lines. Zishan was working on the downpipe here, as you guys saw. We saw a drunk guy, day drunk guy. Got the LSD in. Here's kind of like a picture of the new turbo setup with the intercooler piping. It looks so good. So yeah, follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. See updates, see the best things. There it is. David ASAP. Only follow me.
Asshole, man. My shades broke today.
Yeah, I mean, only
right
cool
down the
people
middle.
have shades. Now we're just back to the shop now. Probably eat, then get started on Brandon's car.